In this tutorial, we will be taking a look at the pricing module in Studio. You can access the pricing module either on the desktop through this icon here, or through the quick launch bar with this icon up here. If you ever wish to get back to the desktop, you simply click the desktop icon and you'll go back. This is the pricing module. It has two components. It has the graph up here, and it has the pricing parameters down here. You can collapse the pricing parameters simply by clicking on the bar here to get a better look at the graph if you wish. You can have several series for the graph. You can add them through this icon here, and you can delete them through the X icon here. You can create a copy by clicking on the copy icon, and then you can plot the specific series by clicking on the plot button. In this column here, you have the properties for the series name, color, stroke properties, etc. In this column, you get to specify the x-axis for the graph. Simply click on the radio button of the quantity you wish to plot, and here you have the y-axis. You simply click again on the radio button of the quantity you wish to plot. To perform a calculation, you simply enter a value and press enter, and it'll recalculate the price and certain Greeks. So we will go ahead and create a plot. We'll plot the stock price and along the x-axis and the call price along the y-axis. Simply click the plot button here to create the plot. If we wish to plot a different quantity along the x-axis, perhaps the strike price, we click the strike price and click plot. We can add another series, and we can enter different parameters. And click plot again, and we can see how the different parameters change the pricing. In the properties column here, you can display the Black-Scholes or not, and you can display the student's T pricing or not. You can also display the difference between the two just to get an understanding of how different they may be. Here in the y-axis column, you can see there's two subcolumns, students T and Black-Scholes. This is simply the result of the calculation that's currently being done with the numbers you see here. To change the range of the axes, you simply enter the new range here and press enter. You'll notice that when I enter a new value, a small red icon will appear. This means that the changes have not yet been entered into the system, and in order to make the changes applied, you simply press the enter key, and the icon will go away and the new values will take hold. This is true for any input field in Studio. You can change certain attributes of the chart by right-clicking and selecting properties on the context menu. You can then customize it as you wish. You can zoom in on the chart by selecting Tools and Zoom from the context menu. You simply left-click and drag and create a window over the area you want to zoom. You can also use the scroll of your mouse to zoom in and out. And if you wish to reset the range, you simply press the middle button of your mouse. You can also right-click and on the context menu, select Reset Range, and that'll also reset the range. You can choose the Pan button to move around the graph. You'll notice that the series are not plotted in the new range, so you simply click Plot, and it'll replot the pricing in the currently displayed range. You can also save the chart as an image, or you can save it as an ASCII file. You can add new charts simply by clicking the plus icon, and that'll create a new tab where you can now create an entirely new chart. To remove the current chart, simply click the X here, and it will disappear. And that is the pricing module. The next tutorial will look at the data module.